Hi, this is Heather from Toyota Albuquerque. Really quick, wanted to show you the Sienna that we talked about. It is just getting ready to go into our detail department. It's a 2012 Blizzard Pearl Limited Sienna. Has about 38,000 miles on it. Does have a light gray interior in good condition, very good condition. Your moonroof, of course your heated seats, navigation, 4 CD changer, Bluetooth, parking sensors, JBL speakers. Second row is captain's chairs that you can recline. Of course your third row seat. A second moonroof, your split DVD players. This one does have a roof rack, and it also has a power lift gate as well as power control chairs for the third row. So, let me know what you think.